You got to get this like literally right now. You're getting the 3090 graphics card. You're getting the best of the best of the best around. Nothing will ever bring you down. The one kind of, I wouldn't call it a downgrade, but you're not getting a Ryzen 9, which, you know, honestly is not, it's not the end of the world. You're still number 7 CPU down here. You still have amazing 1440p performance. You're only like 5 percentage points or less off of the top 2.
Really quick, gaming creators, if you have not already entered our $1,100 gaming creator bundle sweepstakes, you got to do it. Link in the description below. It includes Rode, who hooked us up with this Rode Procaster microphone, shock mount, boom arm, and the mixer to go with it. If you want to sound this good, let me just show you the package. It's freaking great. Take a look. It also includes this mixer right here, which is arguably the highest end creator mixer on the market. Plus, our friends at TubeBuddy threw in a Legend license if you want to step up your YouTube channel management game, and Restream threw in a license as well if you want to stream to multiple platforms at the same time and grow through live streaming faster. This costs $0 to enter. Link in the description below. If you want to enter the sweepstakes, if you want to sound this good, the exact package we use on the podcast every single day, and the tools we use to manage our channels and help our clients, all free as a part of this sweepstakes. Good luck. I hope you win. Adios, gaming creators. Appreciate you.